Hello friends, my name is Pranav and today is my first video in which I will explain how to make pen drive or USB drive bootable, which we can use to format the Windows 10, Windows 8 and Windows 9 in any laptop or any desktop. So for that, first we will discuss what is our requirement for making the pen drive bootable. First thing we required, that is USB drive or pen drive. It must be or maybe 8 GB, then it will be better. And also we need either Windows 7 or Windows 10 or Windows 8 downloaded Windows file which requires to making the USB drive bootable. I will show in my system also which is requirement, and you can see this is the USB drive. Actually, already I make that pen drive bootable, so you can see it's showing symbol also. So it's already bootable. And other than that, we need the Windows file. So here you can see it's already Windows file. I downloaded Windows 10 and I extract that file. So if it's image file, so just you extract that file like that, right click and the extract file, so it will be create the same file like this. So you can use this file to making the pen drive bootable. So now we will start step by step how to make the pen drive bootable. For that purpose, first you have to, since I am explaining everything in Windows 10, so I will explain everything in Windows 10. So same way you can do in the Windows 10 and Windows 10, Windows 10 and Windows 7. It's same process. There is no changes. So just you have to search CMD here in the search box. After that, you click the Run as the administrator and click Yes. So one pop-up CMD window will open. After that, you have to follow the steps. First steps, I will paste this description in description also, so that will be easy for you. So first is the disk part. Just we will copy and right click, so it will be paste same things. So after that we will press the enter keyword. So again disk part will be appear. After that we will go to second steps, list disk. List disk, it will show the memory of your computer or laptop or anything. You can see disk 0 is nothing but it's your laptop or desktop memory, and disk 1 is nothing but it's the USB drive or pen drive which we inserted. So we have to be careful. Always you have to select only the USB drive. Otherwise, if you will select the disk 0, it will remove your data, computer data. So you have to be careful while selecting the partition. We will go to next step. Select disk 1. I think copy not happen, so we will copy again. Select this one is selected. After that, next step is clean. We'll copy and paste, enter. Then this part successfully cleaned. So next step we will go create partition primary. Enter. This step is also done. Then we will go to select partition 1. Select partition 1. Then enter. That is also done. So after that active. That is also successful. Then we will take format fs equal to ntfs and quick. So it will show the completion percentage. After the 100% completed, then we will do the next step. So now you can see it's 100% completed. So we'll go to the next step. Next step is assign. So it will assign our USB drive. So you can see now USB drive is assigned to H drive. So everything we will do with the H drive. So after these steps, we will exit. After exit, we will go to the our Windows location, which I showed you in starting. So we will see the boot file location. So you can see here I extract the file in the D drive software, and inside you can see this is boot drive. So we need this location in which we have needed bootSect.exe file. So what we will do, it's inside the D drive, so we will type T colon. So it will go to the inside the D drive. Then we will copy this path, boot path. We'll copy this boot path. Just click and Control C, and here you copy CD and same path. So it will go to inside the boot path. Now boot path, actually our pen drive is assigned to H drive, so we have to run these steps with the H drive. You can see here G drive, every time it will change, so we have to change G to H drive since our uh, pen drive is assigned to H drive. We will select this one, copy, and we will run. So you can see it's successfully updated. So there is last step here, exit. So you have to run this exit. This is last step. After doing this, again we will go to our Windows location where we kept the file, software, this file, and we will copy all the file. We will select Control A, Control C, and where pen drive is assigned, we will paste there. So as you know, it's assigned to S drive, so we will go S drive and we will paste here. Since paste will take the time, so after pasting is completed, you just need to remove the pen drive from your laptop or desktop. Again, put in laptop again or desktop again. So it your our pen drive will be the bootable. So we can use that bootable pen drive to format the Windows in any laptop, any desktop. So this will be very useful. I am stopping the videos here, and if you like my videos, please subscribe, like, share, and please support me so in future also I can make useful video to help you. Thank you for the watching. Goodbye.